So in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a widgetized area in footers. So let's see how we can do this. For the in previous video I showed how you can register widget area in for WordPress website. So let's see, if you go to the appearance section, then you will see the option called widgets. Okay, after widgets you will see the widgets of your WordPress website or WordPress theme. Okay, so as you can see, single post sidebar, I registered this WordPress website for my post section. I'm going to register two widgetized area for my footer section. So let's see how we can do it. For that you have to go to your WordPress as in footer.php. As you can see, it is hard coded text. Now we are going to add it with our widgetized area. So if I show you that my site, so as you can see, this is our text, and this is all hard coded. So if I delete this, now I'm going to reload this one. As you can see, there is no text here in footer. So if I want to widgetize to widgetized area for footer, so I'm going to take a column called md6. So I'm going to choose column the 6 option. Sorry, I took 6, I have to take 2 options. Sorry. Okay, so we took 2 div for our footer. So now we are going to register. So for registering footer section, you have to, so this is our single post sidebar. So now we are going to register 2 for our footer. So I'm going to copy this. Okay, then paste this. Okay, so it has to edit it. So this is footer right, footer left. First one is, so footer left. Okay, then the id has to be different from the last one. Footer left. Okay, description হচ্ছে footer right, footer on the right side. Footer on the right side. Okay, then before widget, so we don't need to write anything here. So we are going to, before title, so we are going to show no title here. Okay, so this is footer light. Now we are going to take another one, which is footer right. Okay, footer right, then footer right, footer on the, sorry, it has to be left side. Sorry, it will be on the right side. I don't know why I'm making so much mistake today. Okay, so we registered 2 footers. So the function is register sidebar. Then you have to give name, id, description, before widgets, after widgets, before title, after title. So if I go to the my WordPress admin dashboard, if I reload this, so as you can see, that 2 footer section is added on my appearance and widget section. So now I'm going to add something on my footer left section. So I'm going to take a heading. Okay, it is on h4 tag. Okay, so the heading is copyright, sorry, copyrights, all rights reserved, all Rights result result okay result okay if I update this one, so if I reload this, so it is not showing. So why it is not showing? It's because that you didn't do anything in footer.php. So the first column option, so the condition is if is active sidebar. Okay, you have to take the php option, php tag. Okay, php tag. So you do the condition if is active sidebar. If is active sidebar, then you have to give the id. So the id is footer left. So paste. So if is active sidebar, which means that if any active sidebar on this id is activate, you have to show the another function is dynamic sidebar, then the same id. Okay, finish this. Okay, now reload this. So it is not showing again. So why this is not showing? I updated this one. So if is active sidebar, then dynamic sidebar footer left. So it has to be short. Copyrights. Okay, now reload this one. So our footer option is not showing, which is that we choose heading option. So as you can see, we make it empty before the title, so that's why our heading is not showing. So if we want to show some text here, you have to pick paragraph. So in paragraph I am writing copyright all rights reserved. Okay, updated. Okay, now reload this one. Again it is not showing, I don't know why. Okay, if I do the hard reload, so that's alright result. Yes, so this is showing. So I didn't make the mouse to down below, so that's why it was not showing. So it was footer left option. So now I am going to add the footer right option. So footer right side is footer right. So copy this. Okay, then footer right. Firstly I need to take the php tag, then inside the php tag if is active sidebar, then the id of the sidebar. If it's here, then you have to show the dynamic sidebar, then the id. Okay, if footer right. Okay, sorry, I made a mistake of bracket. So now I format this. Okay, then footer right, I'm gonna choose the text learn with Sazzad 23. Okay, updated. Now reload this one. So this is it. So it doesn't look so good because I showed that because I tried to understand how you can register and how you can add the widgetized area on your website. So you can check it out. So I hope it will help you to make your WordPress theme better and better. So thanks for watching.